Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to use auto clicker on iPhone. So the first thing we need to do, simply go to settings. And then once we're in settings, we go down to accessibility. And then we go down to switch control. And then we tap on switches. And then we add a new switch. And then we tap on screen, full screen. And then we select tap at the bottom. And then once I'm done, I go back to switch control. And then I tap on recipes. And then we create a new recipe. For the sake of this video, I'll be naming this test. And then I will assign a switch. Tap on full screen. And from here, I can select a multitude of different gestures that I want. So for example, I can choose tap on the middle of the screen, right to left swipe, left to right swipe, hold a point, and custom gesture. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using custom gesture. Now I just choose on the part of the screen that I want to auto click or auto tap. So for example, I will choose this spot. Take note, I'm tapping multiple times. And then once I'm done, I tap on save. And I go back to recipes. And I go down to launch recipe. And I tap on the name of the recipe, which is test. And once I'm done with that, I go back to accessibility. I scroll all the way down until I see accessibility shortcuts into the second to the last. And then I go down until I find switch control. I need to make sure that it is checked. And once that's done, I can try this out. So for example, I can go to Instagram and I will try to like this post. I tap on the home button multiple times, 3 times to be exact. But for newer versions of the iPhone, you need to tap on the power button 3 times. So I tap on it 3 times. As you can see, it's sending multiple likes at once. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.